Jamaica's medal tally now stands at 6, 2 gold, 3 silver and 1 bronze after 7 days of competition at the 17th IAAF World Athletics Championships in Doha. National record holder Danielle Thomas-Dodd took silver in the women's shot put final, while Sharika Jackson secured bronze in the women's 400 meters today. Here's Keon Reno.
Primetime Sports Report, road to Doha.
Reigning Commonwealth and Pan American Games champion Danielle Thomas-Dodd exorcised the disappointment of her fourth-place finish in London 2 years ago by throwing 19.47 meters to land silver in the shot put, the nation's first ever throws medal by a woman at the World Championships.
With one last effort. Oh, possibly! That is big. Oh, agonizingly close. So close. What a fantastic effort from the Commonwealth champion.
Feeling really, really good. There's not enough words to describe how I'm feeling right now. You know, it's been a long season and it's been rough. But, you know, I'm glad that I was able to come out here today and just, you know, do my best. And, you know, like I said in my last interview, all I have to do is do what I'm capable of. And, you know, I would definitely be on the podium. And, you know, that's what I did today. And it definitely did pay off.
Sharika Jackson secured her second world bronze medal in the 400 meters, logging a career best 49.47 seconds behind Bahrain's Salwa Nasir and Shawnee Miller-Weibo of the Bahamas.
Salwa Eid Nasser. Now comes Miller-Weibo. It's getting closer. Remember, neither of them have won this before, but Salwa Eid Nasser is not to be denied. What a performance, what a time. She beats the Olympic champion with one of the fastest times we've ever seen. Only 2 women have ever run quicker.
I think it was a pretty good execution. I don't think I ran like how coach told me, but I got a personal best and I got a medal, so I'm grateful. Last World Championship, I was sitting on the step waiting to see if I made the final, and this year it was pretty good. I ran personal best, so I am grateful.
It's a lot. Yeah, it means a lot to me. I'm the first female athlete in Barry to have gold medal in the World Championship, so I'm so happy.
The nation will be represented by 2 ladies in Saturday's women's triple jump final as they seek to end a 14-year drought after Trisha K. Smith's gold in 2005. Diamond Trophy winner Shanika Ricketts was the best of the 12 qualifiers with 14.42 meters.
I feel good. I've been having a fantastic season so far, so I'm not putting any pressure on myself, but I'm just going to make sure that come the finals I come out and give it my all as usual.
2-time Commonwealth Games champion Kimberly Williams cut the sand at 14.20 meters to also make progress as a non-automatic qualifier.
I was just rushing things a bit and I was a little bit behind the board on the jumps, but I think Saturday night with repetition, based on what I got today, I'll be okay. So I just have to go out there and have fun and be competitive.
Reporting from the 17th IAAF World Championships in Doha, I'm Keon Reno for TVJ Sports.